Hey girls and guys, just wanted to do a quick video blog about how to book gigs from an actual gig. And here's my really quick tip. Make sure you know what your weather clause is, whether it's rain or shine or if there's a cutoff time. For this particular gig, we're right on the beach and we're in Florida and it rains a lot during the summer, so we're always watching the time, watching the radar, all that fun stuff, and we know what happens. Always know whether or not they can cancel, whether or not you get paid or you don't get paid, or if there's a cutoff time of day. Our gig is at 7, our cutoff time is at 4 o'clock. They can cancel anytime before 4 o'clock. After 4, then we are on, or at least we know we're gonna get paid. So check out the cool stage. This place is owned by Jimmy Buffett. It's a lot of fun. Usually a few hundred to about 1,000 people here every time we play. So there you go. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe and comment. Leave me a comment down there. See ya.